Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, in this edition of The Crap I See. So this toilet flange here is about 3/4 to 7/8 off the floor. So the top here should be roughly level. If it's slightly higher, that's fine too. If it's slightly lower, okay, that's fine as well. Well, the problem here is this flange is so high that a toilet won't actually sit on the floor. It's very common to see a flange that is too low, but to see one that is too high is a whole other thing in itself. So the bottom of the toilets that I did measure were about 5/8. So 3/4 to 7/8 means the toilet is not going to sit on the floor. One thing I guess you could technically do is take a piece of plywood, put that underneath the toilet to prop it up a little bit, but trying to make that look good, I don't know how that's going to happen. I think this is the first time I've ever seen flanges too high. I've seen them low many times, but guys, when it comes to installing your toilet flanges, if you're going to do tile, generally what I will do is use a PEX string just like this as a spacer just to prop up the flange a little bit. But when it comes to toilet flanges, you want either level with your finished floor or maybe a 1/4 inch above, just like this here. That is okay as well. But what we have going on here, this flange would have to be lowered or find a different type of toilet that has a higher clearance between the bottom of the skirt of the toilet and the outlet for the toilet itself. Guys, that is this edition of The Crap I See.